Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Emma. How's your day going?
Hey, Alex. It's been pretty good. Just the usual stuff. How about you?
Same here. You know, I was thinking, how does your daily routine usually look? I'm curious.
Oh, it's nothing too fancy. I wake up around 7 a.m., brush my teeth, and then I've got to have my coffee. Can't start my day without it.
I totally get that. Coffee is life, right?
Absolutely. Then I do some light exercise, like yoga or a short run. Gotta keep the energy up for the day.
You're so disciplined. I usually just hit the snooze button a couple of times before I finally drag myself out of bed.
Haha, no shame in that. What's your morning routine like once you're up?
Once I'm up, I grab a quick shower, get dressed, and then it's breakfast time. I'm all about those scrambled eggs and toast.
Classic. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yeah, I try to. They say it's the most important meal, right? After that, it's off to work.
Same here. I usually head to work around 8:30. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m., but I like to get there a bit early, to get settled in.
That's smart. I usually dive right into emails and meetings. What's your workday like?
Pretty much the same emails, meetings, and a bunch of tasks. I like to take a quick coffee break around 10:30, though. How about you?
Oh, definitely. Gotta recharge. I usually take a break around that time too, just to stretch and grab a snack.
So, after your morning break, what's next? Do you have a lot of meetings?
Yeah, I usually do. It's like meetings never end. But I try to squeeze in some real work between them. How about you?
Same here. Meetings, meetings, and more meetings. Sometimes I wonder if we're ever going to get a break from them.
Tell me about it. But after the morning rush, I usually take lunch around 1 p.m. Do you have a set time for lunch?
I try to, but it depends on how busy I am. If I can, I like to step out and grab something quick, maybe a sandwich or a salad. What about you?
I usually bring my lunch from home. Saves money and time, plus I try to eat healthy.
Smart move. I should start doing that. What do you usually pack?
Something simple, like a chicken salad or a wrap. And always some fruit on the side.
Nice. After lunch, it's usually the same old grind for me, more work, more emails. Do you feel the afternoon slump?
Oh, totally. That's when I need another coffee to keep going. What about you?
Same here. That afternoon coffee is a must. Otherwise, I'm just zoning out.
Haha, right? And then it's back to work until around 5 or 6 p.m. When do you usually wrap up?
I try to finish by 6 p.m., but sometimes it's hard to clock out on time, you know?
Yeah, I get that. I always have a few things to wrap up at the end of the day.
So, after work, do you have any routines or is it just chill time?
I try to unwind a bit. Usually, I'll go for a walk or hit the gym if I'm feeling motivated. What about you?
I'm more of a chill kind of person. I like to relax with a good book or catch up on a show. But sometimes, I'll squeeze in a quick workout too.
That sounds nice. I love winding down with a book too. What are you reading these days?
I'm into thrillers right now. Keeps things exciting. What about you?
I'm more into fiction with a bit of romance. It's a great escape after a long day.
Sounds relaxing. After that, it's dinner time, right? Do you cook or order in?
I try to cook when I can. It's therapeutic. But if I'm too tired, takeout it is. How about you?
I'm the same. I like cooking, but on lazy days, takeout is a lifesaver.
Absolutely. After dinner, it's usually a bit of TV or maybe some light reading before bed. What's your evening like?
Pretty much the same. I like to unwind with a movie or catch up with friends online. Then it's lights out around 11 p.m. You?
Yeah, I try to be in bed by 11 too. Gotta get that beauty sleep.
Definitely. Sleep is key to surviving the next day, right?
Totally. And that's a wrap on the day. Same routine, but it works.
Yep, it's the little things that keep us going.
Exactly. Well, here's to another day tomorrow.
Cheers to that.